If you're experiencing a verification pending status on SugarSync, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate through the verification process efficiently. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received a verification email from SugarSync. Look in your inbox and spam/junk folders for any messages that may require your attention. Step 2. Click the verification link. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Resend verification email. If you did not receive the email, go to the SugarSync login page and select the option to resend a verification email. Make sure to enter the correct email address associated with your account. Step 4. Clear browser cache. If the verification still shows as pending, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help resolve any loading issues that may be preventing the verification from updating. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to SugarSync customer support for assistance. Provide them with your account details and explain the issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status on SugarSync. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.